I've been thinking about getting a smartwatch. They seem pretty useful. What do you think?
I agree. Smartwatches have a lot of cool features. Which brand or model are you considering?
I've heard good things about the latest Apple Watch. It has a lot of fitness tracking capabilities that I'm interested in.
That's a popular choice. Have you checked out any other brands? There are some great options from Samsung and Fitbit too.
I'm mainly looking for fitness tracking and notifications. Which smartwatch offers the best features in those areas?
Well, the Apple Watch and Fitbit smartwatches are known for their excellent fitness tracking capabilities, while Samsung offers a good balance between fitness features and general smartwatch functionality.
How about battery life? I don't want to be charging it constantly.
Generally, smartwatches need to be charged every day or every other day. Some models, like the Fitbit Versa, have longer battery life, lasting up to 4-5 days on a single charge.
What about the price range? Are smartwatches expensive?
It depends on the brand and model. Apple Watches tend to be on the higher end, while there are more affordable options from other brands. It's a good idea to compare prices and features before making a decision.
Do you know any stores where I can buy a smartwatch?
You can check out electronics stores like Best Buy, or you can browse online retailers like Amazon or the official websites of the respective brands.
Should I consider the size and design of the smartwatch?
Absolutely. Smartwatches come in different sizes and designs, so it's important to find one that fits comfortably on your wrist and matches your personal style.
I've heard that some smartwatches offer the ability to make calls and send messages. Is that true?
Yes, that's correct. Certain smartwatches have cellular connectivity, allowing you to make calls and send messages directly from your wrist, even if your phone is not nearby.
That sounds convenient. I'll definitely look into that feature. Are there any other features I should consider?
Some smartwatches offer GPS tracking, music storage, contactless payments, and even sleep tracking. It's worth exploring all the features to find the one that suits your needs.
How about compatibility with my smartphone? I have an Android phone.
Most smartwatches are compatible with both Android and iOS devices, but it's always a good idea to double-check the compatibility before making a purchase.
Do you have any personal recommendations for a smartwatch?
I personally use the Apple Watch and find it to be a great overall smartwatch with excellent integration with my iPhone. But it really depends on your preferences and smartphone ecosystem.
Thanks for all the information. I think I have a better idea now. I'll do some research and make a decision soon.
You're welcome. Take your time, read reviews, and compare features to make an informed choice. Let me know if you have any more questions.